Good morning. Today is Tuesday. So today, after a week, more than a week of a busy week, we're finally looking like humans again. My husband, I'm most finally able to wear shorts, not just the ear lava. His tattoo is healing really well. Planning just to go to town and explore a bit more of Samoa. Tel is still asleep. Oliver's outside, and we're just gonna eat and go to town. Where are we going? To town.
To town.
Let's go to town.
Going down.
Go to town.
Going to town.
Do you guys want to try the pork one?
Is that what you miss?
Yeah. Starter's primary school. Yeah. Starter used to play here, play rugby.
See? Be careful, don't go too close, eh?
To swim.
No, dear.
Clear waters, eh?
What's that part?
There, over there.
Yeah.
Very clear.
You see the fish?
Nice. The water's clear, eh? Fish. Oliver, say hi.
Hi. Actually, look at the fish.
Drink your juice, Oliver.
Drink.
No.
Hey, so you ate?
I'm just
I don't eat
playing.
raw.
I'm not playing though.
No.
Shut up.
Really
I'm
good.
just putting there and I'm not gonna drink it.
This is really
I
good.
don't want
The Rainbow Park Market. Come on in. See? See, now he's happy. We're in Rainbow Park. Let's go get some tokens. What's the tokens? Is it just coin? Big. You miss the Samoan food? My appetite is back. In Samoa.
Kasi ako parang do hamburger and meal Then yes. To the side. Yeah. Kasi last couple for the counter.
That's Samoan double quarter. Oh,
Easy fries.
it's like same as fries, the large fries.
Gigantic.
And the kids' Happy Meal has applesauce. It's so big.
Oh yeah, I got mine.
Like extra large. Large, extra large.
Man, Tiger love this.
Yeah, it's big.
Look at it.
She will finish
Look at it. And we just had a drive around the town because it was raining.
Lots of Christmas lights.
How's the Meccas here in Samoa? It tastes the same? It comes with the juice and the applesauce.
At New Zealand, there's no juice and the yogurt.
Applesauce. It's applesauce. Good. This one is the large.
Mama,
It's as big as your face. Samoan souvenirs. What's this one? A necklace?
and a bracelet. It has flowers on it.
It has flowers. And show me the necklace. Is it matching?
It
Yeah.
has circles as well, like the flowers.
Did you like it? You picked this color, eh? You look after this because this is from Samoa. Ah. See? Don't match your dress tomorrow when you go hotel.
Mama,
Gonna bring some
pineapple.
to
Mama, pineapple.
Later that day, we went to the market. My husband wanted to show me their market, so it was a pretty cool experience for myself personally, seeing all these fruits and vegetables and all local products like snacks and different kinds of things. And we also saw a lot of handmade souvenirs, so we ended up buying a couple for my parents and also for our house back in Wellington. So that's what we did. This one, bracelet. This one. Put on the wall. No? No? Oliver?
Okay, try naman.
Is there anything you like to wear for tomorrow? Huh?
Mama, I want
You want the turtle one? Or this one is nice.
Mama, bye bye, fan.
Do you want to buy a small one? This one. Here, for your van. After the market, we went to Lava Hotel where we had lunch, and later on that night we went back to the same hotel to have dinner and watch the Fia Fia show.
Oliver, if you forward a pizza, we can bring it home, okay? Hot!
Hot, let it cool down. Oh. Busog. Very full. After having lunch, we spent the rest of the afternoon in Friendship Park. With their compression socks. My husband had to wear compression socks as both of his legs were swelling after the tatau. He ended up having edema on both legs. That's why in this clip, he was wearing these stockings, the medical compression socks.
They eat it!
Come, baby. And later on at night, we met with family and we watched movie with the kids. We watched Moana too, so that was a good experience going to the movies in Samoa for the first time. And that's what we did after watching movies. We ended up having feed in Mecca's and went home.
Ocean. Watch out!
Watch out, you might trip!
Yeah, the toilets
Mama, can I sit beside you and cousins? And my cousins. Moana. Can you give me a chihu?
Can you give me a jihu? Dada?
Mama.
Mama. That's it. Can I get a jihu?
You give a chihu? You give a chihu? What is chihu?
You're watching jihu.
That will leave a lasting impression. At Sayo Rihanna, we've got something for everyone, no matter the occasion.
We are at Macca's.
We're at Mecca's having some dinner.
With my cousin.
Yeah. We just finished watching Moana. How's Moana? God. Water. Water.
Oh, I thought you said ball.
The following day, as you can see in this clip, we went to town and we went to these two popular shops called Iveni and Tanoa. They specifically sell dresses and shirts with Samoan designs and patterns. So that's what we did. We bought a couple of clothes to wear for dinner later that day. That's for you. For me. We got some shopping! Hey everyone! We're in the hotel for dinner and a fire dance show.
Balansha.
Come and sit down. Come. Tala.
Mama, do you want the one with the rose?
Did you want the? Nah, I don't want. That's a wine. Oliver. Hi. Talia. Hi.
Try new food. Hello, guys. I am trying new food and it's chicken.
dance. Was it
It
fun?
was like
Again, it was like what? Oliver, was that fun? The fire? What did they do with the fire in the mouth? Can you show me? Oh, okay. So today is Nana Fotu's birthday. Your Nana. We're just off to town to buy a couple of things. It's just a family, a small family gathering. Just bought some meat and now we're gonna buy a couple of decorations just to make this celebration a bit more nicer. So Victoria asked if we could do a bit of balloons and all that stuff. Today is very, very hot. How's your tatau? It's healing well. It's peeling off. I feel like I'm looking after a snake. Lots of shedding. But I think that's a good sign. So for short hair, Talia was 20 tala, washing, blow dry and straight, and 25 for long. But $55 is equal to how much roughly? Like $25 to $30 for both hair and a face mask. And it includes a good massage. Yeah. How's your first salon experience in Samoa? Good! Beautiful! So that's the end of this vlog from our second week in Samoa. In the next few days, I'll be uploading a couple more videos from our last week because we spent 3 weeks in Samoa, and also a separate video for my husband's tatau. But anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos. Thank you. Bye.